Kitchen lovers, stop buying suya on the streets. Make your own at home. Come, let me show you how. So this is my beef. I'll be using 2 kilos of beef. Make sure you get the soft part, because if you buy the one that has tender, you know how it's going to be now. To chew will be a problem. So just get your beef. I've already washed this one and patted it dry. So you have to also get a very sharp knife, like Marlon's knife. This my knife itself is not that sharp, but you need to get a sharp knife so that you cut the meat thinly like this. Make it as flat as you can. I tell you, this is the hardest part of it. These Marlon people, they try not to be small. You just take your time. You follow it one after the other, and then make sure that you make it as flat as you can. After that, you get your skewer, and then you begin to arrange them. To get that perfect suya roadside suya arrangement, you start with a smaller piece, then you put a bigger one on top like this. You can see how it's looking. It's just looking like that roadside suya. You keep doing it until you exhaust the whole meat. Hello and welcome to this video. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are very, very, very welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. Yeah, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I am not taking it for granted at all. This is what is keeping me going. Thank you very much. I appreciate. So back to the video. You see what I'm doing? Just take a smaller piece, put it on the skewer, and then the one on top will be a little bit bigger, because we want to get that perfect Marlon suya, nothing less. You keep doing this until you exhaust the whole beef like this. You have to be careful. You know, the skewer can choke your hand. So this is it. I'm done. Now I'm applying the perfect suya spice. Remember the suya spice I did? I will link the link to the video. I'll put it in the description. The link to the video where I showed you how I made this perfect suya spice. I'll put it in the description of this video, so you can go and check it out. So this is me. I'm dumping each of the suya sticks into the suya pepper, suya spice. You know, if there's no spice, it's no longer suya now. So you put it one after the other. Make sure that the suya spice cuts every part of the meat, like so. Just take your time. Like this. Please, can you comment where you're watching me from, so that I'll give you a shout out in my next video? Just comment in the comment section and tell me where you're watching me from. I appreciate you all for the support and the love. God bless you. So like this. Just make sure that you are generous with the suya spice. Like I said, this is what makes suya. If you like the statement, this is what makes the suya. Yes. So I am done putting the suya spice. Next is to put oil. You can see my container how I did it. I just poured oil into this container, and then I opened it up. I just punctured a little so that it will allow me to sprinkle the oil on the suya sticks like this. Just make sure that you put the oil on all. You remove one after the other and oil it like this. And there we have it. Our suya is ready to go into the oven. Yes, I brought out my oven rack and then I arranged them on it like so. Just arrange them one after the other. If you like what you're seeing, please give it a thumbs up and always come back to this channel to watch more. And voila, this is it. Just slide it into the oven and allow it to do its thing. After about 30 to 40 minutes, our suya is ready, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.